Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be making two wooden boxes, one from recycled pallet wood and the other from red pine. This is a great project for beginner woodworkers who want to improve their skills and learn new techniques. First, I cut both the pallet wood and red pine to size on my mitre saw. Then, I planed the wood to get a flat and square surface. This step is crucial in any woodworking project because it ensures that the final product looks professional and polished. Next, I used a homemade box joint jig, along with a router to cut the box joints for both boxes. This technique creates a strong joint that will keep the box together for a long time. I cut both box joints at the same time, making the process more efficient. Once I had cut all the box joints, I cut a groove for the plywood bottom to slide into. Then, I glued the boxes together and used clamps to keep everything in place. I left them overnight to ensure that the glue set correctly. The next day, I sanded and filled both boxes to make them smooth and ready for the lids. I used the same technique as the box base to make the lids and made both of them at the same time. This saved me time and made the process more efficient. After making the lids, I used a pyrography kit to burn a Stranger Things design onto both lids. This added a personal touch to the boxes and made them stand out even more. Again, I did both lids at the same time, making the process more efficient. In conclusion, making these boxes was a fun and educational experience. Whether you're using recycled pallet wood or a new material like red pine, you can create beautiful and functional boxes with box joints that will impress your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has inspired you to try this project yourself. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more woodworking projects.